Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find Facebook user ID. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Facebook. Once you open Facebook, you simply need to click on three bars in the top right. And then you need to click on settings and privacy. Once you scroll, you simply need to click on settings and privacy. And then you need to click on settings and search in on the top apps and website like I am doing, and here you will find any app that is connected to your Facebook account, and once you click on that you will easily find your user ID by clicking on any app. So currently there is no app connected with my Facebook, so by following this step you can easily find Facebook user ID. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.